Hello everybody, John Price here from E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring to you everything that was exciting and new for E.C.D during the month of April. We had some amazing trucks coming off the line and just want to go over them with you. First of all, we have Project Cyclone, amazing looking Defender 110 in eggshell gray exterior. Lot of different accents in the cabin inside, tan and black combo with the leather. Absolutely stunning looking truck, and again, a very special vehicle indeed. Then we have Project Turbo Time, a little bit more elegant in the outside perhaps, no roll cage or any additional accessories, very clean, and of course in a Sherwood green, a gloss finish that looks absolutely stunning in its own way. The interior on that one has a distressed tan leather that fits really well, of course, with the theme and very British, very traditional, of course, green and tan color combination on that one. Now, we have also Project Big Sky that is a light blue gloss paint finish. That truck looks absolutely stunning. Lots of silver accents throughout the car. A very nice tan and black combo as well inside. Wood decking in the cargo area that makes it also a very special vehicle indeed. Then we have Project Indigo, which is a dark blue metallic Defender 110, also very nicely appointed, silver sawtooth wheels, a lot of silver accents throughout, brown distressed leather inside the vehicle that looks extremely nice with that combination as well. Then we have Project Beach Patrol, which is a fun Defender 90 in 00 yellow color, black accents throughout the car, looks absolutely amazing. Perfect for a beach house, of course. And then lastly, we have Project Phoenix. Now, Phoenix is an 83 green Defender 110, black accents throughout the car, orange Brembo brakes, look absolutely gorgeous in the car, and the interior also has a charcoal interior with orange stitching that really makes it very special indeed. Now, as part of our newsletter this month, don't forget to check our featured articles where we go over what's the best classic Mustang model to buy and also if the Jaguar E-Type is a good investment. Also, a highlight video of the month, we go through the Ultimate Defender Engine Showdown, comparing V8, diesel, and electric powertrains accordingly. Now, as part of our press features for the month, E.C.D now accepts crypto through VidPay. Now, don't forget to check out our Defender and FJ configurator as well, where you can play around and see the different types of vehicles that we offer and all those different things, of course, that you can make to optimize your own build. And of course, don't forget to follow us through all of our social media platforms and stay connected with all the new and exciting things that we got going on here at E.C.D. Bye for now.